Yeah, it's the rubbish bin. Stays closed. Everyone's coming to the rubbish bin. Why doesn't everyone come and play with the toys? My Ava Grace. What you doing, Harry? Yeah. That's the table. Hey, Sienna.
Hey, Harry.
This frog.
Where'd Harry go?
Where did Harry go? There he is, Harry. There goes Harry.
We pick her up and put her in the middle of the floor. He's gonna pull open that drawer. Harry, can you go over here too? You're gonna grab Harry as well? He's opening the drawer.
Harry.
She might be more inclined to hang out in the carpet if Harry's back with her. My Ava.
This.
Hey, my Ava. You're gonna grab.
You do this?
Probably gonna grab her again. My movie will be better if the two of them are in the same place.
This. The same place that Lee is right there.
Go play with Harry! Look at Harry wants you to play with you!